To apply my foundation. You know, this is the main reason why we are doing this video. We just want to know the outcome of these products. This is so perfect for my skin. You cannot see the difference. Hi, welcome to the channel. So today I want to test the product I got from my last video, and I want you guys to come along with me. So please do what to like and share this video and share your thoughts on the product. As I said in my last video, it's been long I used that product and I just want to see how it looks. So let's do this. But before I go in, I want to use my Carrot Glow oil on my face just to moisturize the face more. Okay, as you already know, I'm going to use white powder on my skin, just a little bit of it. Okay, I have primer here, but I do not want to use this one because it has really kept long. I forgot to get a new one when I went to the market, but I'll do so. But meanwhile, let's try the ones we got from our last video. So as I've already prepped my face, I'm going to draw my eyebrow. Before I apply I want to use this lip gloss on my lips. It's almost finished. Yeah, I just want to keep my lips awake. So I'm just trying to keep the shape of my eyebrow. I need to trim it a little bit, but not now. I'll do so later. I'm going in for the pencil we got. This is so nice. I'm going to use this concealer to correct the shape. I don't like using the brush on it for my eyebrow. This is warm honey concealer. I love opening it like this. I can get access to it. You see? I'm just using this cute beauty blender to blend it through. So I'm going to apply my foundation. You know, this is the main reason why we are doing this video. We just want to know the outcome of these products, even though we have used it years back and we know it is good, but we need to see whether the goodness of it is still there. I have my makeup brush here, which I need to wash. I haven't though, guys. I said I'm going to wash it, but I haven't done it. So I'm just okay. This is how we are going to apply it. I'm just going to go on one side to see how best it will come out. This is so perfect for my skin. You cannot see the difference. Just look at my real skin without makeup, and look at where I have applied the makeup. I think the coverage is very nice. So let's go with the other side. So guys, what do you think? This is very beautiful, very beautiful, and I love it. Trust me, I love it. Instead of applying my concealer under my eye, I love using powder. You know, I just love using powder. I don't know why, but I just love using it. Yeah, I'm actually using this baby powder. So that's how I actually go about my makeup. I don't want to do something that I'm not used to. This is what I usually do, as you saw from my last video. Then I apply a little here. I want to use this lipstick. This is red lipstick. This is how it looks. I'm using that for my contouring. I normally use this for my contouring, but this time I want to use red. Let's put some changes here. So this is how I want it. So I'm going to use this as my settings here. I don't know the exact word for it, but wow. After I've applied this once, just apply this, I'm going to go in for this second powder for the whole face. So going for the overall bust here. So I'm just going to dip a little. I want to add a little bit of color to my eyeshadow, and I'm using this palette. So I have the colors here. I'm going to choose green. Pardon me for my dog back in there. I went in for dark brown on my corner here. Yeah, I don't know exactly what I'm doing, but I'm trying to give you guys something nice. Let's go in for this. I'm just going to use the eyeliner. I think doing this gives you some wide eye. Guys, what do you think? This is the last product here. This is the product we got. This is the outcome of it. All right, so let me just do magic on my hair and come back. Let's put on some earrings, and yeah. So yeah, today we are using all our products. You see, this is a brush we got. I think I need to straighten this part a little bit. I'm just going to rate this product like 10 over 10 when, because it's worth it. This wig here is factory made and it's not full in it. It's not that full. I need to get hot comb. What do you think of this makeup, guys? What do you think? This is so nice. And I'll give it 10 over 10. Yeah, I don't know about you. Let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you in my next one. Bye bye.